We have, hold on, I gotta make sure I save this file. Okay. 3 over 2x minus 4 is equal to 2 over 4x plus 1. So the thing to do is we got to transform this thing into a linear equation. And the best thing to do is multiply, just like we did in the previous problem. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite. Kind of shift everything over a little bit. Okay, what were we using? Blue? Let's multiply both sides by 4x plus 1. Now you can see we can get those to cancel out. Now we're going to be left with 3 times, I'm just going to write it like this and not distribute that just yet. It's equal to 2. So now the next order of business, let's, well, we can't shift it over anymore, is to multiply both sides by 2x minus 4, which I've run out of room here. And as you can see now, okay, those cancel out. And we can rewrite. I'm going to go ahead and distribute this 3 across inside here. So this is 12x plus 3 is equal to, distribute this 2. That becomes 4x minus 8. Now what? Let's take the 4x over here and the 3 over there. How's that? Do it all in one swoop. 12x minus 4x is equal to negative 3 minus 8. Negative 3 minus 8. So, like terms, 12 minus 4 is 8x is equal to negative 11. Anyway, let's go back up to here real quick. So, you know, I'm doing this shortcut way now. You're subtracting 3 from both sides, and then you're subtracting 4x from both sides. You know, I have to add that to that, I suppose. Still. All right, multiply both sides by 1/8. And 8's cancel out, so x is equal to 11 over 8. So that's our solution. Negative 11/8. You could write that, and you could say our solution set is negative 11/8 if you want. If you plug that negative 11/8 in for x, the left-hand side had better be equal to the right-hand side. Okay, how much time we got? 3:59, 4 minutes. Let's work on another one here. 2 over 2x minus 1 plus 3 over x minus 4. And that is going to be all equal to 5 over 2x minus 1. Whew, that looks kind of nasty. All right, let's work on the left-hand side. We've got to get that into a numerator and a denominator there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to rewrite 2x minus 1. Now we're going to multiply. I'm going to put parentheses around this because we're going to have to multiply. What color should we use? How about I use green? we're going to have to multiply x minus 4 over x minus 4 here, and then plus 3 over x minus 4, put a parentheses around that. Okay. And we have that 2x minus 1, so we're going to have to write 2x minus 1 over 2x minus 1. Okay. So now the numerator is going to be, I'm going to go ahead and distribute this across. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do that, so I don't have to write an extra step. So this becomes, let's write an equal sign here, this becomes 2x minus 8 plus 6x minus 3, that's all over 2x minus 1 times x minus 4. Okay, let's do something with that numerator. We have a 2x and a 6x, so that becomes 8x. Negative 8 minus 3, negative 11. All over 2x minus 1 times x minus 4. Oh my gosh. So finally, where are we at? That is this part right here. Okay, it's equal to 5 over 2x minus 1. So we're gonna have to rewrite all this. So we have 8x minus 11 over 2x minus 1. We're not going to multiply this out just yet. Okay, x minus 4 is equal to 5 over 2x minus 1. Oh my gosh. So now what we're going to want to do, I'm going to take a shortcut method. We're going to take all this. Actually, I got a 2x minus 1 there. Technically, you could cancel out this 2x minus 1 and this 2x minus 1 since they're both in the denominator, and I'll show you how that's going to work out. But we're going to go ahead and take diagonally. Instead of multiplying, we're going to kind of do a shortcut. We're going to take this up into the numerator, and then we're going to take this part up into the numerator here. So just kind of think of it like that. Okay, so we have 8x minus 11 times 2x minus 1 is equal to 5 times 8x minus 11 times 2x minus 1. About run out of room there. Maybe I can move the screen over just slightly. Whew, working on 8 minutes now. So there you go. Now, these 2x minus 1s will cancel out. Okay, you could divide both sides by 2x minus 1 and they're gone. So we can go ahead and get rid of them. And, whoa, something else is going on here. Why do I have... I don't know. I just seen something. For some reason... Okay. Yeah, that is not right. Alright, let's do this a different way. Let's capture it all at once. Got it. Okay, we were moving 2x minus 1, x minus 4 up over here. I don't know, whoops. Why in the world I wrote that? X minus 4. Alright. Still, the 2x minus 1s, they're going to cancel out. And now what we're going to be left with is an 8x minus 11 is equal to, I'm going to go ahead and distribute this 5 inside here. 5x minus 20. Okay, since the coefficient of 5x, 5 is less than 8, we're going to take that over. that way. Take the 11 over there. We're trying to solve for x, so we have 8x minus 5x is equal to 11 minus 20. So that's going to give us 3x, right? Yeah. And 11 minus 20 is negative 9. Okay. And then multiply both sides by 1/3. And now we're left with x is equal to negative 3. So there's our solution to, where were we at? Up here. Let's use a different color. Alright, that's our solution to that equation. And if you plug negative 3 in the left-hand side, it better be equal to the right-hand side. Okay. Well, we got 2 long ones in on that one. Anyway, we'll see you. See you over there.